Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Elisha from Earning Elite Apps. I did a video on Quotex and I explained why it's one of those trading platforms that you need to consider. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how you have to go about creating an account and have it verified so that when you earn from whatever you're going to deposit, you're able to withdraw with less difficulties. Let's take a look. Alright, so after you click the link, this is the page you're gonna land on. So all you need to do is you click here where it reads create a free account. So here you need to choose the country by clicking the downward pointing arrow. Then you leave it where it is USD. Then you punch in your email address here and then you create a password. Once you are done, all you need to do is you check in this box here. You say I confirm that I'm 18 years old or older, and then you check in this box as well. I declare and confirm that I'm not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes. And then you hit registration and everything will fall in place. So let's do that. Alright, so after you submit the credentials, you will definitely be redirected to your email inbox. There will be an email that will be sent to your email inbox, so that you click it and then you happen to sign in. You simply verify your account. Let's do that. Alright, so there it is. It's saying email verification. So I'm in. Click here. And then click confirm the email. Alright, so once you're back here, all you need to do is now to log in. Punch in the email address and then punch in the password that you had created. Then click sign in. So now after you sign in, this is the dashboard that you're gonna see. So what you need to do is you simply skip the tutorial. So you can start with the demo account so that you build confidence. Okay. Yeah, so this is it. So now the next thing that you need to do is you verify your account. It's very important, because if you just begin to trade like this, or when you deposit money, you won't be able to withdraw it unless your account is verified. So what you need to do is you scroll down here, go up there, and then click account. So here you see what is needed. You need to punch in your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and then you scroll down. After you filled in all those, then if I want to upload the documents, I simply click here where it reads upload documents. Okay, and then I'll actually be requested to check in a box. Simply hit here so as to consent to the processing of my data, and then hit continue. Okay, so here you need to choose your nationality. I can change here and indicate the United States. When everything is done and dusted, you can now submit the information. That's how you go about it.